Yeah, this is video.
This is video, so we're supposed to be dancing up and down.
Yeah, this is Bob.
Talk.
Okay. So
Yeah,
are we on video now?
I'm just trying to get a drink.
Okay, this is Bob.
I'm trying to get a drink for Desmond
This
and the
is-
others. Have we got any juice
This
there?
is TC.
This is TC.
Alright, today, it's E.T.'s last training meet. So we have done the training in the morning, so I'm going to ask her how she feels about her last day of training and what she has achieved. So, E.T., you want to tell all the readers on my blog how you feel about the last day of training with me and what you have achieved?
Okay, the last day of training just as difficult as the first day, but today I gave my all. Like that last 30 seconds, I was like, I'm not giving up, even though I was like, my whole body was shaking. And I'm really sad to leave TC and his training program because I've done so well. I'm like I can fit into my young girl clothes. Check it out here.
So you couldn't fit into this a while ago?
I couldn't fit into this when I first came to Perth, so I'm really happy now that I can.
Good.
And there's
Bob, you want to say something?
Well, it was very nice to meet you both.
Nice to meet you.
Kelly and TC. And he did a great job with
Thank you very much.
girl here.
Yeah.
Yes, if I ever hear of somebody needing a
Yes, of
personal
course.
trainer, I'll tell them about
Thank you.
Yeah.
So if you have any last tip for everyone for training, anybody who want to lose weight in the winter, last tip.
Get a good trainer if you're not sure what to do, and just really kind of have like trust yourself and push yourself. Like know that you're doing it for you, and that's why I think I was successful. I was just like, I'm doing this for me, man. I'm not doing this like for clothes. I'm not doing this so I can get a job or to impress someone else. I was doing it for me, and I'm very happy, and I'm gonna continue. You watch when you see me 2 months from now.
She better continue. She better not gain any weight from here.
TC gave me some bands, so I have no excuse not to work out.
Alright, give me a hug. Wish you luck. Okay, that's it.
Thank you.